Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, this is another episode of Going Green. And I came downstairs, saw the kitchen, it was horrible. So I said, well, let me do a load of dishes. And I have no dishwashing detergent. So guess what? I went and found a recipe on YouTube, and it has 3 ingredients. It has borax, Epsom salt, and washing soda. The washing soda is right there because I'm in a small space, as you can see. And so I want to do this real quick, and let's see how it works. Now it called for 1 cup of borax, 1 cup of washing soda, and a half a cup of Epsom salt. Now guys, well, this one was Epsom salt. The other recipes that I saw, people were using like regular Morton salt, or what's the other one, kosher salt. But see, I don't buy salt, not like that. The only salt that I buy is the Himalayan pink, and I'm not putting my Himalayan pink salt in no dishwashing detergent thing. I'm gonna make a big mess. I should have found a funnel, and ain't no telling where one is. Let me go ahead on and just get the mess over with. Luckily, this is a wide mouth ball jar or mason jar. So that's my 1 cup of borax, and I'm gonna do the 1 cup of washing soda. And I'm going to tell you guys about, excuse me, those are the babies, I'm sorry. And I'm going to tell you guys about these containers that I got my stuff in. Because I've been doing stuff like this for years. So these containers are probably about 10 years old. I got these from, I don't even think it was Dollar Tree. It may have been like Family Dollar or Dollar General from way back in the day. And they ran out because I was going to get me like 10 more. They ran out. So we got all of the ingredients in here in this jar. I'm just going to shake it up, and I'm going to put it in the dishwasher. There we go, guys. That was my pot boiling over. I got a pot with some water in it and a little soap in it on the stove because it's been sitting for a while. So that's my dishwashing liquid, and as soon as I'm gonna put it in, and I'll let you guys know how. I'll bring you back rather when the cycle is done, and then we'll see how it works. Okay guys, I'm back. You may hear some unsavory language. My son is in the other room playing the game, but I got the DIY dishwashing detergent here, and I'm just shaking it up a little bit more, and we're gonna add it in. I'm assuming that's 2 tablespoons, and I think you can put some in here as like a pre-treater. I just put a little bit in there, and then as soon as this cycle is done, I'll be back. Are you guys ready to see how the dishes came out? Let's see. And I do have some clear glass dishes in here. Alright. No spots, no streaks. Look pretty good to me. Here's this is one of my jars. Look like, no, that's just where the steam and stuff has been. One of my favorite mugs. Let me grab it. Had some water on it. Yeah. It looks perfect. Okay, so the dishwashing liquid with the Epsom salt, the washing soda, and the borax works fine. I want to thank you guys for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime, and I'll see you all in my next video. And yes, that's a plastic fork. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, little bugs.